What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And before this video starts, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below what we should do next. And today we are pranking my little brother. His name's Landon, and he's doing this 1,000-piece puzzle. And we're gonna do a sneezing prank. So I'm gonna pour some of this water in my hand, try to keep it in my hand without spilling it, and I'm gonna be like, "Achoo!" and try to get him burst out. Okay, here you go.
Hey everybody, subscribe to this channel, please. Here we go.
Oh, it's still. Oh, that was real that time. Is that gross?
Feels like so gross.
Alright, so next we are gonna do it on Landon. That was Rowan, so let's get it. Hey, now
Okay, let's fail.
let's try.
Fail,
Let's
and we're
try.
gonna try again. I'm gonna try not to spill it. So I'm gonna pour it in my mouth, then I'm gonna spit it into my hand, then do it, so I don't drop it.
Go.
Is that gross?
You spit on me. No.
I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.